successfully got an Uber?
In the Uber on the way to our place.
It's clearing
Wow.
So what are your recommendations of things to do in Dubrovnik?
So, our Dubrovnik place is cancelled. But we knew that, but then we called up and he told us it wasn't cancelled. So we came here and now he told us it was cancelled when we got here.
So we're just sitting here?
Waiting for him to reply. He was like shouting at me on the phone. He was like, I told you it was cancelled, you should have called me closer to the day, blah, blah, blah. And then he was like, I'll find a different guest house for you. And I was like, okay. And he was like, do you understand? And I was like, yes. So, now we have nowhere to stay in Dubrovnik. And the guy who we're supposed to be staying with is like threatening us or something. So Lulu's scared. But now we're walking to somewhere where we can get Wi-Fi. Still stranded in Dubrovnik, waiting for an Uber. We just booked another apartment. We have to get an Uber to it, and we just booked it just then. So,
Waiting on the side of a road for another Uber to take us back where we caught the first Uber from.
yeah.
Hey guys.
So we found
Update.
accommodation,
This
but
is the
like
next morning.
Yeah, next morning. We found accommodation like.
Was it like 1:30?
Yeah.
We booked it, we Ubered over to there.
And the guy was just like, I have all your details written down. He was so organised.
Yeah, I know.
And he's so cute. He was like, why am I shaking?
We literally got there within like 15 minutes of ordering, like
Yeah.
booking this place.
And he like had everything ready for us and he was telling us where to go and stuff.
And this place
So
is actually
cute.
cheaper than the other one, so we're kind of saving money.
Yeah. And Ubers here are really cheap as well.
And the Ubers are so nice.
Yeah. Oh my god, we're the best Ubers ever. Everyone here's just so nice. Even the supermarket ladies. The supermarket ladies in Hvar were not nice. Or Split. But Dubrovnik ones are. Anyway,
And then this is-
so this is one bedroom. This is where Lulu
I
slept.
slept there.
Because the aircon's not in here. And then there's the bathroom. And then there's a washer here. We're doing some washing. And then this is like the kitchen and living room. That's where Taylor slept and I slept on the floor because the aircon's in here. And yeah. And now we're going to Old Town.
Yep.
And then
Meeting up with...
Hannah B and Ramsey. And then we're going to watch sunset at some like hill thing. Hey guys, so we just did some shopping for our dinner tonight. We're making pasta, vegetables, and now we're gonna go to the top of some mountain to watch sunset.
Sad svi ovdje moramo ići. Hajde idi dolje šta ću potrgat auto sad.
Samo ajde 20 cenata gore, ne pređi na potrag.
Hannah,
That's pretty much the
we're at the beach. This is the beach we're at. I don't know. Oh, Lapad Bay. And we've been chilling.
I really want a burger.
So, if you get burger, I'll get chips. Just got these chips again to share this time.
So I'm trying to cook pasta.
She got this
Yeah.
out of a packet.
Lily's helping me because I can't cook.
She put way too much water in. It used to be like literally up to like here.
What can
We're
I say?
just reducing it down.
Putting it on a simmer.
And a simmer. It's kind of sticking though.
Oh. We're getting ice cream.
Yeah. And we'll keep you. Hannah's trying not to eat a donut, but
Yeah, I really want one.
we don't know how that will work.
I don't think it's great for my well-being. By the way, my pasta was really good.
Oh yeah, it was.
It was.
I tried some and it was really good.
Yeah, and I still have some left over for tomorrow.
Nice. So we didn't actually get ice cream. Sadness.
I got this.
Milka chocolates.
And I also got this.
Digestives.
We're going kayaking.
On the bus now.
Yeah.
Taylor's over there.
And we're going on a kayaking tour.
For 3 hours.
Yep. So we're on the kayaks. Taylor. Good job, Taylor. You're doing great. Taylor's doing all the paddling. I got a ham and cheese sandwich.
I got fruit.
He's going wild.
Now you open candy bottoms over there?
Leaving our last destination. Guys, you can literally see the bottom. Imagine if I dropped my phone.
Wow. Wow.
Hey guys, we're at this like jump rock thing and it's really scary.
Yeah.
Lulu's not sure if she's gonna do it. I'm definitely not doing it.
Oh wait, film Ramsey doing it.
Yeah. Oh wait, Ramsey, wait. Ramsey's gonna do it and Taylor might do it.
Quick, Ramsey.
Oh my god. Wow. What a brave man. Everyone's contemplating they should do it because everyone's scared. I'm making the sensible decision of not to do it.
It's higher than that. Baby? Well, I'm gonna do it with the baby jump then.
Lulu being a little mountain goat.
No, I'm not ready. Just eating some lunch, watching Hannah swim. And that's where we kayaked to yesterday.
We're out for dinner because Hannah and Ramsey are leaving with Taylor and we're at a pizza restaurant. We got our pizza!
In the wrong way, so you can't use it. Like accidentally.
I'm sure wow. That cheese stretch. Come on. What the hell? Hannah pulled Hey guys, so we've just checked out of our
Well, we haven't checked out yet. We're
Oh.
waiting to check out because we can't get to our next place until 11:30 and it's 10.
Well, we actually can't get to our next place
Until 2.
until 2.
Well, we can drop our bags.
So we're just waiting. Walking up a lot of stairs.
Hey guys, we just got to our... We didn't just get to our Airbnb, but we're at our Airbnb now and we're tanning. Oh, and this is a view. Literally can't see anything right now.
Morning. We're having porridge.
Porridge? It's oats.
It's called porridge.
Oh.
With the view. Hey guys, this is the last time.
We're gonna be in Dubrovnik.
Old Town.
Sadness. And I just bought a what's it called?
A bracelet from a market. She bought it.
Shut up. It's so nice. It was only €7.
And it doesn't really fit her.
It's just because my wrist is too small. I'll make it fit me.
Yep. Okay.
We just walked up a million stairs. That's why we're puffing.
Legit a million stairs.
Leaving our Airbnb. Oh. Our last time in Dubrovnik. Now we're going to Dubrovnik. Yeah, sadness. Hey guys, we're at our apartment Douche.
So the bus isn't coming.
It's supposed to be getting on a bus to Scranton.
Yep,
To go
16 minutes ago.
to go to the Krka waterfalls. We have our tickets, but the bus is late.
To board.
And the lady keeps saying that it's coming, but it's not. So,
Finally got on the boat.
well, we got on the bus,
Yeah.
and then and then we got our tickets, and now we're on the boat to go to the waterfalls, which takes 20 minutes.
Quite a long process it is.
And we already want to go home. Well, I do, because I'm tired.
I'm tired too. So we're at Krka at the Falls Festival.
Shut up!
Literally looks like a festival.
And someone dislocated their ankle on the boat.
Oh yes.
It was really sad.
Story time.
Yeah. Oh, and
She
the
fainted.
yeah, and the
And
little
the
boy was
baby
crying.
girl. Yeah.
Little-
so
yeah.
cute. Hey guys.
We're at the waterfalls. It's super slippery.
I know, it's
don't
so
even know if
scary
they can
holding
hear
my
us.
phone.
Oh yeah. Show the view.
There.
Bye.
I think that's good. Yeah, we're at a beach in Siboney
And
Waiting
we're
for the
staying
bus.
here until 4 p.m. And
until
it's
the guy picks us up. We gave him all our packs and
the
everything.
guy whose apartment we stayed at.
So could steal it, but we think he's a nice guy.
Yeah, but
Still that possibility.
I got his number plate.
Yeah. Yeah, the water was nice.
We're in the crib, waiting for our next bus. Eating some chips. We just finished our 4-hour bus ride here. It was really uncomfortable. Couldn't sleep the whole way. Now we have a 5-hour bus ride, and we get to Venice at 4 a.m. So, and we can't check in or anything. So